Today I would like to introduce a hot soup and rice bowl bento that is perfect for cold winters or when you catch a cold. First soup bento is this: Tonjiru with umeboshi and Kombu onigiri. Tonjiru pork miso soup is a truly satisfying soup that provides both meat and vegetables. Root vegetables are indispensable for this soup. They are nutritious and delicious, but they all take time to cook through, so it's best to cut them all into thin slices. I cut daikon radish, lotus root, gobo, and carrot. Pork belly is often used for pork in Tonjiru. Pork belly is recommended because of the delicious flavor of the pork fat. But today we will use pork fillet for a healthier option. If you prefer chicken to pork, you can use chicken instead. If you can get konnyaku, try adding this as well. My husband is so happy when I put konnyaku in it. It's recommended to boil konnyaku for 1 to 2 minutes before boiling with other ingredients. It removes the smell of konnyaku and makes it tasty. Once the pan is clean, stir-fry the root vegetable that has just been chopped. Fry konnyaku together. I added a little olive oil. Fry in oil before adding water for better flavor. For your information, detailed materials are listed in the description section. Also, please check the link My Tools and Seasonings for the seasonings used in the video. Add water. Cover and bring to a boil. When it comes to a boil, add pork and simmer again. Simmer over a low heat until vegetables are tender. Pork miso soup is often simply seasoned with dashi and miso paste, but today I add a few other seasonings, adding just a little bit of soy sauce, sake, and sugar gives it a deeper flavor and makes it even tastier, especially when the soup has many ingredients like this. This style is recommended because miso alone is not enough flavorful. You can also increase the amount of miso. Mix well and turn off the heat, then dissolve the miso paste. This miso already contains dashi, but if you are using miso without dashi, add dashi powder. Today I will use this newly acquired soup container. If you fill this with soup, it will stay warm when you eat it for lunch. You can also check out this soup jar, fruit jar lunch container at the link My Tools and Seasonings in the description section. Tonjiru is my husband's favorite miso soup. With this and onigiri, nothing else is needed. It's also perfect for when you are too busy to prepare a bento box. What is the best ingredient for onigiri? I put pickled plum this time. Since I want to fill it with 2 different ingredients, I make small pieces. After a little rice is added, put kombu. This kombu is seasoned with a sweet and salty taste. 2 different flavors in one rice bowl are now available. Finish by wrapping nori seaweed around it. Next one is Japanese style creamy soup with salmon onigiri. This is one of the most delicious soups I have made recently, and I encourage everyone to give it a try. Broccoli goes extremely well with this soup. Onions are good to include because they add sweetness. I had some kabocha left over, so let's add that in as well. For the meat, I add sausage. Add your favorite meat. Add ham because there is not enough sausage. Add half the normal amount of water. Cook the kabocha and onions first, which take longer to cook. When the kabocha has softened to some extent, add the other ingredients. Then add soy milk. Normal milk would be fine. Add the soy sauce, consomme, and sugar. This was my first time making it with soy milk, and I was surprised at how delicious it was. I forgot the salt and pepper. When the broccoli is cooked, it's ready to serve. Be careful not to boil soy milk too much. Taste at the end and add more salt and pepper if necessary. For the onigiri, I used the grilled salmon. You could simply put the salty salmon in the onigiri as is, but let's add a little flavor today. I added mayonnaise, wasabi paste. You can use mustard instead, and soy sauce. Adjust the amount according to your taste. Since the only side dish is soup, I make the rice bowl larger. The soy wasabi flavor was delicious. Rub nori seaweed around this one as well to complete the dish. Next one is Japanese style tomato soup with Bonito Flakes onigiri. First, miso onion and carrot. You can have other vegetable and mushrooms of your choice added. Any ingredient that would go well with tomato soup. Garlic is also chopped and added. These are then fried in olive oil. Fry onions until slightly tender. Then add water. Add dashi powder, soy sauce, and mirin. Cover and cook until onions are completely tender. Drain the oil from the can of tuna before adding it to the pot. Add tomato juice. Canned tuna and tomatoes are a great combination. You can use canned tomatoes instead. Add the bean mix. It contains 5 types of beans, including chickpeas, soybeans, and red beans. Use your favorite beans. Bring to a light boil and then turn off the heat. Finally, add a little miso paste. Add salt and pepper, sugar to taste. If you prefer, you can omit the miso paste and add only salt and pepper to taste. The result is a delicious soup that makes you want to add pasta. This time I will make onigiri with dried bonito flakes. Add soy sauce here. The ingredients are simple, but the umami flavor is strong and the rice balls are really tasty. Wrap with nori seaweed if desired. The last one is Japanese style chicken soup with salmon egg onigiri. This is a nutritious chicken soup that is great when you have a cold. I like to add bok choy to this soup. Add a few onions and shiitake mushrooms as well. Mince the garlic and ginger. When you are not feeling well, it's recommended to add more ginger. Add as much chicken as you like. It's also delicious when made with ground meat, warm garlic and ginger in sesame oil, and add doubanjan. The doubanjan adds a little spiciness and umami. It does not matter if you do not add it. Add the chicken here and toss well. When the chicken changes color, add onions and stir fry. Add water, shiitake mushroom, and bok choy. And season them with chicken stock powder, sake, soy sauce, and sugar. When the ingredients are cooked, the dish is ready. Check the taste and add salt and pepper to taste. The bok choy should not be overcooked as it will be crispy and tasty. Today's onigiri will contain an egg. Cook the egg in oil and shape it into an easy to mix into a rice ball like this. Mix rice with grilled salmon and add egg and minced green onion. Sprinkle salt on the salmon as it cooks, but if it's not salty enough, add more here. I really wanted to add white sesame seeds as well, but this combination is always really tasty. Which combination looks good? Warm up your body with this nutritious hot soup and enjoy a healthy life. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel. If you are already a subscriber and would like to support our channel, please join our membership. Membership feedback will be reflected in content creation. See you in the next video.